from this to this. If you're interested, stay tuned.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, today doing my hair. Let's go! So excited for y'all to see my hair.
Okay, hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Danielle Denese back again with another video. So let's get right into the tutorial. As you see here, I'm just gonna start off by making a part. We're gonna do like a halfway part. So we're gonna section the hair into two, and I'm just using the shine and jam to perfect that part.
Keep coming into contact, always flirting with the love taps, or is it just me?
Hello guys. And I put this thing up because I couldn't see, but I just want to show y'all my hair.
So with this hairstyle, it's always easier to just start off by making your section. So you see I did the two sections, and now the bottom half I divided into two as well.
Ever since the beginning, game blouses.
Okay, so I pretty much have my main sections mapped out. In this clip, you're going to see me section off the hair that I want to braid. These are going to be two braids that are coming down into her face. So I'm doing this side, and then I'm just going to repeat the same exact steps on the other side.
Who you really love, don't know. I know who you're really thinking of, don't know. Boy, I know what's on your mind, yeah, don't know. Now I'm gonna make you mine, don't know.
And now here you're just going to see me section off that front part of the hair. This part is going to be used as like her bang. So we're going to have this section designated for her bang. This section is going to be the braids that's going towards the side of her face.
What would it change? What would you lose? What would you gain? Or what if you knew she felt the same?
Before we get to braiding, I just want to show you all our sections. So we have that section that's going to go around, that section that's her banging coming down. Then we have the two sections in the back, and yeah, so we have like a little layout of where and how we're going to braid.
I felt your vibe, you felt mine too. You know what's up. Now,
and here we're just going to start with working with the back part. So I'm parting everything so that it can be braided towards that middle part. And as you see, everything is braided towards that middle part. And now for this section, I'm just showing you that piece of hair. I'm going to braid towards the middle part as well, so away from her face, and it's going to end up going towards the back. And here you're going to just see me, I'll do a quick little simple design. I felt like the parting space wasn't enough to have two separate braids, so I made two go into one. Our bang area, I'm just taking a little bit of the edges, and I decided to braid them and bring them around as well. I'm literally only going to do like 3 braids. What did I do? I did 2 braids, and that was it. The rest of that section I'm braiding down as her bang.
Look at my hair. My mom did it. So, it's something to bear. To her. And that side is good. My mom did a lot of good job. Right. So now I'm going to do the bands, and I want to show you how my mom put these in, and that set me fine.
coming near the end now, so we're just going to put these beads on. If you don't have a bead feeder, I highly recommend to get one. It definitely saves time. And the bead feeder is just that white tool I use to put the beads on.
Coming into contact, always flirting with the love taps.
And you already know we gotta do her edges. This is the final touch. Got the edges flowing, looking right. So this is just pretty much it. I'm just giving you different views of how the hairstyle came out. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial of this hairstyle I like to do on my daughter. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, until next time.